MyShedPlans Review. The ultimate guide to building your dream shed. Sheds are among the simplest structures in the modern world, but they can be difficult to build. Even if you are building a small shed with a simple design for your backyard needs, you need considerable woodworking knowledge to ensure the shed is sturdy and ready to withstand whatever the weather brings. The last thing you want is to spend hundreds of dollars on a shed that leaks. If you need a shed but are uncertain how to begin planning and building, MyShedPlans could help you get the project started. This is the ultimate resource for anyone interested in building sheds. Even if you are a beginner or you want to build an elaborate shed with an intricate design, this resource will show you the way from start to finish. How to guide for beginners. MyShedPlans does offer some other features that a professional woodworker will admire, but this one is just for the beginners. If you are interested in woodworking or building sheds but have little to no knowledge about woodworking, this guide will introduce you to all of the basic information you need to know before firing up the saws. 1,200 plus woodworking plans. This is where the advanced woodworker will find MyShedPlans interesting. The package includes over 1,200 woodworking plans, and that includes a variety of shed plans, plus some other woodworking ideas. The plans and blueprints also include some unique ideas for extra features you may want to add onto your shed. If you do not have a lot of woodworking experience, you will appreciate that these woodworking plans walk you through the building process, one step at a time. There is little chance of a mistake when you are following a plan that has been perfected to eliminate all potential pitfalls. If you are experienced in woodworking, you will appreciate the variety of ideas offered through these woodworking plans. You will find advanced plans for intricate designs as well as plans for large sheds that can be tricky to build. Even with your experience, it is great to have creative ideas and information regarding new techniques. Materials lists. One of the most frustrating events in a woodworker's life is getting halfway through a project and realizing you do not have enough materials to do what your project requires. MyShedPlans allows you to eliminate that frustration by offering complete materials lists for the woodworking plans included in the package. Not only does MyShedPlans tell you what you must do in order to turn the plan into a functional shed, but it tells you exactly what you need to purchase for the project. This is the biggest help for a beginning woodworker, but it is also convenient for the professional. Why bother making out your own detailed shopping list when you can pick up a detailed plan and have the list waiting for you and ready to go? MyShedPlans offers something of value to woodworkers of every skill level. If you just want to put up a shed in your backyard and have a little interest in woodworking, this package will make the project fast and simple. You will know in the end that you have a durable shed that is well designed and ready to serve your yard for years to come. If you are a professional, then this package could make your job much easier and provide creative ideas for future projects.